Assalamualaikum guys and girls. My name is Azad and today I'm your Python teacher. Let's check what is halal and what is haram with using Python. Okay, let's go. I am import halal checker. Okay, action равно halal checker dot check Quran. Okay, and reading Quran. Okay, let's start. Reading Quran is halal. Okay, guys, reading Quran is halal. Okay, then, так, удаляем. Eating the pork. Okay. Let's check. Damn, guys, eating the pork is haram. Haram, don't eat the pork. Don't eat. Okay, thank you for the lesson. Assalamu alaikum, guys and girls.